Greetings, everyone. This is the second part of our challenge, from $100 to $10,000. We will continue using our ultimate strategy. Okay, first signal is call. We must enter a trade with 33% of our deposit to have an opportunity to martingale it. First signal is correct, we made plus $76.5. Second signal is put. We must enter with 33% of our deposit to have opportunity to double it, if trade goes another way. Chance of giving two incorrect signals in a row is about 0.16%. 1 of 1,000 trades it will give bad result. Second signal is correct, we made plus $100. This is a last signal because we want to make more videos to show more people that it is easy. Last signal is call. Last signal is correct. Perfect signals. We made up to $300 to our deposit. This is only second video. Don't waste your time and make money. See you next week.